So for TwoTrails, I'm the CEO. So I oversee everything that happens in TwoTrails. So, everything that happens day to day, all the scheduling, any kind of marketing that's going to take place, anything to move TwoTrails forward, whether it's locally or nationally. I'm looking at where I'm going to position TwoTrails for the next 5 to 10 to 15 years. And like I always say, our business is 98% education. Even to this day, it's education, education, education. Every builder is building a great house, but what you want to know is how is that house going to high perform for the next 15 to 20 years? How is it going to pay you back as the homeowner? And the bottom line is we can help them make that determination. And we do that not only on a residential building, but we can do it on multifamily buildings and we do it on commercial buildings. You're going to come into TwoTrails and we're going to ask questions and to see what type of service fits you. So we do, for residential, we'll do a blower door test, a duct leakage test, or we can step it up if you want to do a certification. So some of the builders will do a state certification, other builders will do a national certification, and that'll give them a little bit more marketing availability to go along with it. And then there's always the top level for residential, which is a USGBC LEED certification. So that means they've gone through a little bit more stringent type of certification process, but they've also committed themselves that they're going to put those materials and those recommendations into that particular house to garner that certification. On the flip side, they're going to probably gain a little bit more when they go to sell the house, because that house is going to be a lot more high performing farther into the future. You're looking at a house, you're looking at the outside, you're looking at the inside, and you're thinking it's a really pretty house, you like the decor, you like how it looks. But what's really important is what's behind the walls, how that particular house was constructed from the ground up. And when I mean ground up, I mean from the plans, from the beginning of when that builder decides to put those plans together, he has to do duct designs on top of it. And if those ducts aren't laid out correctly within the house, then you're going to get that hot and cold areas because something's not laid out correctly. And we do things that are called EMB files. And theirs are really looking at, is the air conditioning unit sized correctly for that house? Most air conditioning companies are absolutely doing the very best job they're supposed to do. Not always. So we're the third party. So we come in and we're going to double check that and make sure that it's sized correctly for that particular house. It's a lot of education, not only for the builder, but for the subcontractors. And then it should trickle down for the home buyers so that they can learn and what they're looking at when they see this green certification or a HERS index is that's actually meant for them. It's not meant for the builder. It's not meant for anybody else. That was done for them so that they would know that we were there doing an independent third-party inspection and that we worked with the builder to correct things before it even got to them, before they even thought of purchasing that house, to make sure that it was perfect for them for when they moved in.